Hey guys, do you want a really profitable business model to make money online like professional gurus? Thus, you are lucky because in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a cash cow ebook for target people step by step. And first of all, to your knowledge, the best selling digital product all in all is the ebook. And for sure, there is a rule of thumb you've got to know regarding creating ebooks. You don't create your ebook about a specific topic you love or you like to write about. And instead, you've got to provide a content people are already searching for. And for sure, people purchase these ebooks about many topics out of three reasons. Either to find a solution to a specific problem or urgent problem, or they want to get more information and data about a specific topic in a given niche, or for spare time and for fun. And here there are two different ways to get the most pressing questions and queries people are looking for continuously. The first way, just by going to social media like reddit.com, quora.com and so on. There you can gather many questions as much as possible relevant to this problem or to this topic. And the second way, you can go to google.com and write down your topic and your main idea. Then you can go directly to a specific treasure section on Google search results that says frequently asked question. It's a treasure trove to get many ideas and many pressing questions people are looking for a specific solution to these problems. And of course, these ways need more time and effort to gather as much as possible of these relevant questions. So for sure, it's a daunting task to create your ebook. And for that, I just bring for you a beautiful product that is QueryProfitVault that contains over 40,000 real questions that are extracted directly from Google about over 2,000 hot and trending topics in over 60 the highly demanded niches nowadays. So you can get many questions for a specific topic in a given niche like a snap. And now in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can create your ebook or mini ebooks for target people incredibly in a simple way. So stick with me and follow me in upcoming steps. And when you get to this product, that would be down below in the description box in the first comment. Here you can find this product consists of different and many of these folders that refer to different highly demanded niches as you see. So for example, if I just go to this one, women over 40, every folder like that contains many of these hot and trending topics. And for every single topic, you will find these questions are shown in two different formats. The tree-like format and in a table or CSV file. So you can find many of these relevant topics for women over 40, like career changes, building confidence, fitness exercises, balancing hormones, financially planning, fitness, sleep quality, and so on and so forth. The most hot and trending topics regarding this niche. So for sure, you can make your ebook regarding each of these topics. So for example, if I can go and show you something like this one, how to improve sleep quality or maintain skin health and so on. So I can go to this one, sleep quality, for this tree format. For example, here you can find this mind map like that. A great way to show your questions on all these pressing questions people are looking for in Google regarding this specific topic to improve this sleep quality for women over 40 as you see. So here you can zoom in, zoom out as you like, or you can change this compact display or something like that, or vertical and so on and so forth to make it easier for you to read and grasp all these ideas and these questions. You can convert this dark, light mode and so on and so forth. Perfect. And that's about this tree-like format or this mind map. And as for the CSV file, here you can go back this one and click over this one, how to improve sleep quality, the CSV format, and it would be like this one. So first of all, just we can go through some few steps, like you can go to this page layout and tap this cheat right to left, then go to this column, the first column A, and go to data and text to columns, and check this delimited option, next, and check this comma, next, and finish. That's it. So you can find your columns are very prominent and more visible like this one. Here these questions people are looking for, this parent question or the main topic, link title or the resource of your questions, and these the concise answers from Google itself. So here we can get these questions and make our ebook regarding this specific people for this specific topic. As for improving the sleep quality for women over 40. And then we can go to the next step to create your ebook. Copy these questions and insert in a text or a Word file like this one, and copy them again and go to ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT, and here you can ask the ChatGPT to give us an outline to create an ebook entitled How to Improve the Sleep Quality for Women Over 40, and it covers these frequently asked questions, and paste these questions like this one. Write me an outline for my ebook about how to improve the quality of sleep for women over 40, and it covers these frequently asked questions, how to get sleep in your 40s, and so on and so forth, as we extracted from our CSV file in this product QueryProfitVault. And here ChatGPT gives us a beautiful and well-structured outline to my book with an attractive title, Sweet Dreams, a guide to better sleep for women over 40. Then begins with introduction with these bullet points, chapter 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Awesome, isn't it? And for sure, all these chapters cover these questions that we have mentioned before in our prompt, as you observe. So now we can move on to the second step. Just you can create these chapters or the valuable content using ChatGPT regarding every single part, starting with this introduction and moving through this chapter 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So for example, I just hit this prompt, write me a full explanation to introduction of my book. Then you can insert a next prompt like write me a full explanation to the chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, and so forth. Then as for introduction, here I just get an amazing introduction for my ebook, as you see. Perfect, isn't it? So you can, that way you can create different chapters and detailed explanation and detailed content from ChatGPT for every single chapter or your ebook entirely. Afterward, you can go to the next step to create your ebook. For sure, you can create your ebook using PowerPoint or Canva.com. So now we can go together to Canva, and you can go to this search bar and look for something like ebook template, or you can go more specified and insert this niche or women, for example, to give you the all relevant ebooks for women or for relevant topics for women, as you see. So then you can do one of them like this one, for example. Okay, it's a beautiful one, and customize this template quickly, and then you can customize your ebook as you like. You can change its font, background, and so on, and for sure these data. Walking through the title and table of content, and for sure you can get all of them from ChatGPT, and going through the introduction, chapter number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the like. And of course, we can insert these relevant images from the library of Canva. So you can go to element section and look for something like women or sleep or women 40 plus and so on. So you can search for something like women over 40 like this one, and here you can find many of these relevant photos as you observe. So you can insert these images inside your ebook to get more visual appealing content, as you see. Or you can change this one, or women sleep, for example, women sleep Okay, and here you can find relevant images for your query, and so on and so forth. And here you can get your ebook for this content, for this specific content regarding the how to improve the quality of sleep for women over 40. And then when you're done with your ebook, just you can download it as a PDF. Okay, now it's time to how you can market and promote this ebook to get more sales. There are two different ways. Either on social media, you can create a beautiful account and a dedicated account on Instagram and Pinterest and TikTok regarding women over 40, for example. Then you can insert many posts, carousel posts, or you can short videos about this topic and relevant topics for women over 40, including this sleep problems, quality of sleep, and so on, and direct people to your link in file that contains your digital product or your ebook, in other words. And the second way, just you can make a whole account on medium.com, Coursespace, LiveJournal, and so on. Then you can write articles about this specific niche, and for sure including your promotion to this specific and beautiful ebook. And believe me, many people and many women regarding this topic and this problem wanna get more data, and for sure your ebook would give them the quality and the content they are looking for, because it's based on real questions people are already searching for on Google continuously. So that way you can create a viral ebook and cash cow ebook for a specific topic. And by this product, QueryProfitVault, you can create not only one ebook or 10, just you can create hundreds of these ebooks for many niches as you like. So don't hesitate and just grab your copy from down below in the description box in the first comment your product. There you can find a great gift for you when you purchase this product. So go there and thank me later. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.